Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to clear videos you've watched on Facebook. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen or bottom right corner of the screen, whichever it is on your end. Now I want you to click on the gear icon located at the upper side of the screen. From here, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see Activity Log. Tap on that. And from these options here, you need to swipe to the left until you see Videos Watch. Click on that. Now from here, if you want to delete a specific video that you've watched, you just need to click on the three dots located at the side of that specific post and simply click on delete. But if you want to clear all your watch history, you just need to click on Clear Video Watch History and confirm by clicking Clear again. And that's it. That's how you clear videos you've watched on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!